Sri Venkaiah Naidu, Honorable Vice President of India, is going to release my collection of English poem titled O Mizoram. Honorable Venkaiah ji has long been a valuable mentor of mine, molding me and guiding me even in my hour of crisis. I am truly indebted to him for the position that I am holding today. In 1997, at Calicut, I had also released one of our books in Malayalam. In the writing field, it has been a blessing hand behind my achievements. In 2010, even at the risk of his own health, he was kind enough to rush to Calicut to attend my daughter's marriage, literally from the hospital bed. Such has been his kindness towards me. I am happy with the generous words of Sri Soram Thangaji, Honorable Chief Minister of Mizoram. He had also graciously penned down the opening remarks of my book. I also express my sincere gratitude to the other distinguished speakers, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, Sri B.P. Joy, Sri Prafulla Kedkar ji, and all the dignitaries present here. Right upon my arrival in Mizoram as the governor, I was inspired by the serene beauty of the place to write down the title poem O Mizoram. The state of Mizoram is blessed with natural scenery and clean environment, perfect for a person to be motivated and inspired. I of course invite all of you who have not been there to visit the place and experience the fresh air for yourselves. It was William Wordsworth who said, poetry is a spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. It takes its origin from emotion collected in tranquility. I believe you can discern the spontaneity from some of my poems, which have come to me at different points of time, at different locations. I have tried my best to express those feelings and emotions through words, touching across the wide spectrum of topics. I am thankful to Sri Radhakrishnan, Murthy Devi Award winner, for having written a very comprehensive foreword to my book. I also thank Professor Alfredo Pasolini, President of the Writers' Capital Foundation, Italy, for writing a beautiful prologue. These great personalities in the field of literature, namely Sri Radhakrishnan and Professor Alfredo, have compared my poems as similar to the great English poets, and even with the Indian great poets. Of course, I wonder when I am going through it, I have not made such a claim. The suggestion made by Professor Alfredo that my poems would be subject matter of research is a huge compliment for me. All these are beyond my ability, and I am certain that God's grace is behind everything. I have already published poems in Malayalam as well. I am happy to share that this is my first book of poems in English. Last, but definitely not least, I express my sincere gratitude to Sri Dattan and Indus Scrolls Press for having published my book and successfully organizing this function. In conclusion, I end my speech with this quote in Nature by John Keats. Quote, "The poetry of earth is never dead." Thank you for your kind attention. Jai Hind.